Hello guys, today I'm going to show how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro. So if you don't have your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the DND mode icon. Then make sure that you have this feature deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the eye icon. Now we're gonna start from the notifications, of course check that I have it turned on, and go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and go to the storage and cache. Choose tap on the clear storage and tap on the delete. In the next step, let's open the settings, then go to the system and update and choose reset options. Tap on the reset network settings and tap on the button again. Enter your code and tap on the reset settings button. And in the last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the system update, choose the system update, and if you have any, just install it and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.